Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. So today we are going to discuss number systems part 9. So that's continuation of remainder theorem actually. So we already discussed about the remainder theorem last class, right? So what's the remainder theorem? So remainder will get in a positive remainder and a negative remainder. And brief recap of that one first of all. So we can get positive remainder and negative remainder. And you people know, so suppose if you are subtracting less number of the denominator, then that will be remainder directly. If it is exactly divisible by the number, so it is nothing but remainder will be 0. If it is bigger than the one denominator, so maybe it's 33. So what's the remainder? 4 plus 7. 7 is the remainder, right? So always you have to remember remainder always less than the denominator, or which is going to divide. So there is a negative remainder is nothing but, so if it is, if it is remainder, the 33 remainder is 7. There's a positive remainder. What is the negative remainder? So next big one. What is that? 39. 39 minus 3, it's 6. So 6 will be, minus 6 will be negative remainder. But remember, always we are considered remainder is in positive only. After you are getting the remainder in negative also, just add this to the denominator. So 13 add minus 6. So the original remainder will be 7. For our convenience, our understanding purpose, we are moving to negative remainder also. Okay. And in last class, we discussed one important concept. That method is nothing but Fermat's theorem, right? Do you remember this? Fermat's theorem. What is the Fermat's theorem? Whenever if you have the format of 72 by 29 by 85. See, what's this? What's the format of Fermat's theorem? A power p minus 1 by p. Here p and a are co-primes, right? Co-prime numbers. Then remainder will be always 1. Okay, remainder will be always 1. Suppose they given like this. Suppose they given like this. One of the example. 72 power 85 by 29. Yeah, 29 is a prime number. And what we want here, this is A and this is P. But here we want 29 minus 1. What is that? 28. So if you want to apply the Fermat theorem on this, so what is the power will be? 28 will be there. So then just, so 72, I can write 72 by 29 power 28. So here what is that here? 85, right? So 85. 85 divided by 28. 85 divided by 28. What's the nearby value? It's 3, right? 3. So it's nothing but whole power 3 into 72. So remainder is 72. Okay, right? So now and here this will become remainder 1. So we already discussed. We have to write. That means simple ma. మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ ఫార్మాట్ థియరంలో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఆ ఫార్మాట్ లో రాసుకోవాలి. ఎలా రాసుకోవాలి? యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ 29 ఉంది, ఇది ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. సో పవర్ లో 72 పవర్ 28 ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? మనకు మొత్తం రిమైండర్ 1 వస్తుంది, రైట్? సో 85 ని 28 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, 3 వస్తుంది. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 72, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం ఇదంతా ఏమవుతుంది? రిమైండర్ 1 అవుతుంది. 1 into 72 by 29. 72 by 29. The 29 twos. 29 twos is nothing but 58. Yes, 58. So 58 పోతే ఎంత ఉంటుంది 14. So 1 into దీని రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత, సో రిమైండర్ ఎంత 14. సో దీని రిమైండర్ 1 into 14. సో ఒరిజినల్ రిమైండర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 14. సో డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడం కంటే ఫర్మాట్ థియరమ్ లో రాసుకొని దాన్ని మనం చేంజ్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఐ మీన్ మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫార్మాట్ లో చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ, రైట్? సో నౌ the same example, we'll see some more examples under this one. 4 power 2007 by 17. So మనకి ఏం కావాలి, 17 is a prime number, these two are co-primes. Okay, first thing, so 4 power 16 ఉండాలి మనకు, రైట్? 16 ఉండాలి by 17. ఇలా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, so this will be give the remainder 1, right? So 2007 ని 16 తో just divide చేయండి, then we'll get 125. So remainder 4 power 7, right? So now done. So this will be become remainder 1 into, so 4 power 7 by 17, right? So 4 power 7 by 17, దీని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి? See, a simple method. So 4 power 2 is nothing but 16, right? 16 into 16 into 16. So 4 power 2, 4 power 2, 4 power 2. So it's nothing but 6 into 4 by 17. So ఇది -1, ఇది -1, remainder -1, and this is 4. So -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into 4. So it's nothing but -4, right? So -4 mana remainder kaadu. So we have to consider always positive remainder only, right? So what we have to do, add this minus remainder to 17, that's it. So it's our remainder is 13. Okay, no, so hope you understand. We'll see some more problems, then we'll go for the another method, another important method. So 9 power 111 by 13. So how we are going to write? If it is 9 power 12 by 13 will be there, then it is remainder will be 1. So 12 to divide cheyandi dinni, 12 though it's 9, right? So 108 will be there, 108. So 108, so 9 cube, right? 9 cube. So this will be 1. This will be 1, and 9 cube by 13. 9 cube by 13. 9 cube by 9 cube. What's the value of 9 cube? So 729 by 13. So 13 6. Sorry, 13 5. 13 5s and 13 6s. Yeah, it's remainder 1. So 1 into 1, remainder will be 1, right? So check one more. So 14 power 222 by 23. So if it is a format of 14 power 22, right? So 14 power 22 by 23. ఇలా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, దాని ఏమవుతుంది, సో remainder 1 అవుతుంది. సో 22 by 222 by 22, right? So ఏమవుతుంది, 22 hundreds and 22 tens, actually 22 tens into 14 power 2, right? 14 power 2. Is it clear? Now it becomes 1. 1 into 14 power 2 by 23. So 14 power 2, 14 square, 14 square is 196, right? 14 square is 196 and divided by 23. 20. So 23 is 8, 184, right? So 23 8, 184. So remainder will be 6 and 6, 12. Right? So 12 is the remainder. Now it is Fermat's theorem. Now we'll go for the another important method. What is that? Binomial theorem. So in the form of ax plus k. Better I'll take this. I'll remove this. Just wait. Now, so ax plus k or ax minus k. So I'll say just wait. I'll say divided by a power n equal to k power n by a whole power n equal to minus k power n. Right? So actually then ax plus k whole power n, then it will be this will divide exactly, right? So a multiple ఏదైనా కానీ a తో exact గా divisible అవుతుంది, right? So in the form of ax plus k whole power n ఉంటే రిమైండర్ ఏమవుతుంది k power n అవుతుంది. And in the same way a into x minus k whole power n అయితే సో ax అనేది కంప్లీట్ గా a తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. సో రిమైండర్ ఏంటి మైనస్ k పవర్ n. బట్ సో k పవర్ n అన్నది కూడా ఇప్పుడు మనం నెంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో will feel difficult, but if I can write in the form of ax plus 1 whole power n. So 1 అన్న ఫార్మాట్ లో రాసాం అనుకోండి ax plus 1 whole power n by a. సో ఇది మొత్తం ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ డివిజల్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ 1 power n anything is 1. So 1 by so whatever it is the remainder will be 1, right? So a మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద నెంబర్ డినామినేటర్ కంటే లెస్ దాన్ ఉంది అనుకోండి 1 ఆల్వేస్ అన్నిటికంటే చిన్నదే ఎక్సెప్ట్ 1, రైట్? సో 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 power n. So 1 power n is the limit with a 1. So even that minus 1 power n. So ax minus 1 whole power n by a. ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో మనం గనుక ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ని రాయగలిగితే సో మన రిమైండర్ ఏమవుతుంది minus 1 power n అవుతుంది. minus 1 power n. If n is the odd number then minus 1 will be there. So n is an even number, that 1 will be there, right? So this is binomial theorem format, right? So we'll discuss some of the problems now. For example, some problems. So remember, so ax plus k we need to write in the form of ax plus 1 format, right? So this is what our important thing. Now check this. So 19 by 18 power 37. Now 18 is not a prime number, right? 18 is not a prime number, but is a co-primes only, but 18 is not a prime number. And here 37 is here. So if I can write this, 18 plus 1 whole power 37. Is it clear, right? So 19 whole power 37 or 18 plus 1 whole power 37 also same by 18. So what will happen? So this will exactly divisible by 18 and this will nothing but 1 power 37 is our remainder. So 1 power 37 it means it's nothing but 1 is our remainder. Then so if you are converting into this ax plus 1 or ax minus 1 format, right? No. Let's see some more examples. 97 by 32 power 37. Now, see, so how we can write this one in the form of ax plus 1, LRIchu. So 97 ni 32 multiplication raicha. 97 multiplication of 32. What is the 32 twos? 64. What is the 32 threes? 6 and 9, right? So 96 was. See, I can write 3 into 32 that a into x and ikkada 3, okay, plus 1 and 32. Then see, so a into x, if form మొత్తం ఏమవుతుంది, it will completely exactly divisible by 32. So it is divisible by 32 and whole power, what is that? 37 we have. So 1 power 37, right? So remainder will be 1, right? Suppose if they given 95 by 32. Now ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాయాలి? So remainder, to solve our problem easy way, we have to write this ax form 3 into 32, a into x. But what is that? Here not plus, right? Here it is minus 1. It is minus 1 by 32, right? So it's nothing but 96 minus 1 whole power 9 whole power 37, right? So whatever this 37. Now 37 means minus 1 power 37. Minus 1 power 37 ante minus 1 వస్తుంది. కానీ remainder we have to consider always in positives only. So minus 1 ని దీనికి యాడ్ చేయండి. 32 plus minus 1, that nothing but 31 is the answer, right? Then is it clear? So write the problem in a format of ax plus 1 or ax minus 1, right? Then we can easily solve that problems, right? Now check another one. Now the question is for you. So I'm going to clear this everything, and question is for you here. If 17 power 200 is divided by 18, the remainder is, so ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనం ఎలా రాయాలి దీన్ని? 17 ఇచ్చారు అండ్ డివైడ్ బై 18, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ 17 పవర్ 200 by 18, right? So I can write 18 minus 1 whole power 200 our previous exam question idi, right? Divided by 18. So this one is completely divisible, and minus 1 power 200 is nothing but even value is nothing but 1. So remainder will be 1, right? Now Another one, another problem. If 7 power 101 is divided by 48, the remainder is, now see what they given here, 7 power 101 by 48, but మనకి ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో రావాలి, ax plus 1 or ax minus 1 లో రావాలి, right? But here it is a 7 only, 7. Then how we are going to write this in 48 plus 1 or 48 minus 1? So if your 7 is there, so you just by seeing itself we have to get the idea, that is 7 square is nothing but 49. Is it clear? So 7 square ante enti 49. So దీన్ని నేను 7 square, so 7 into 49. Okay, 49 గా రాసుకోవాలండి దీన్ని. 49 power 100, right? So 49 power 50, 49 power 50 ఎందుకు రాసాను ఇట్లా, see I'll explain. So 7 power 2 whole power 50 is nothing but 7 power 100, right? So 7 power 101 కదా ఇచ్చింది, so into 7, so it's nothing but 7 power 101, 7 power 101. So I can write 7 into 7 square whole power 50. 7 square and 49. So 7 into 49. 49 ఎలా రాసినాను, 48 plus 1 whole power 50, right? By 48. So 48, this completely it will be 1, right? So ఇది మొత్తం exactly divisible అవుతుంది. 1 power 50 is nothing but 1. So 7 into 1 is nothing but 7 is a remainder. 7 is a remainder, right? Done? Now you understand? So whatever they given, so we have to try to write in the form of ax plus 1 or ax minus 1. సో అప్పుడు మాత్రం మనం రిమైండర్ అనేది ఈజీగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ 7 ఇచ్చారు, 7 power 101. 7 చూడగానే యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ఐడియా, దట్ ఈస్ 7 స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 49. సో 49 అనేది ఏంటి, 48 plus 1. సో నేను 49 ని 48 plus 1 గా రాయొచ్చు కదా. సో 49 plus 1 whole power 50 into 7. So 7 by 48. ఏంటి రిమైండర్ 7, right? So 7 into 1 is nothing but 7 is the remainder. Done? No. Another question. If x is the remainder when 3 power 61284, okay, is divided by 5 and y is the remainder. Y is the remainder when 4 power 96 is divided by 6. Then what is the value of 2x minus y? See, interesting question. See what they're asking, they're not asking the remainder. So they're given the information. So x is the remainder when so 3 power 161284 is divisible by 5, and y is the remainder when 4 power 96 is divided by 6. So then what is the value of they're asking? Value of 2x minus 1. So to find 2x minus 1, we need to know that so x value and y value, right? Now, so before going to solve this one, so I want to explain one more simple concept. See, so what they given here, 4 power 96 is divisible by 6, right? So 4 by 6, what is the remainder? What's the remainder? So this is a less than the denominator, so remainder will be 4. Okay. 4 power 2, 4 power 2 by 6, or it's nothing but 16 power 6. What is the remainder? 6 1, 6 2s. Remainder will be 4. Okay. 6 power 3. Sorry. Yeah, 4 power 3. 4 power 3 is 64 by 6. Right? So it is also remainder 4. So you just observe here 4, if you are dividing with 6, so always remainder will be 4 only. So 4 power n by 6 also remainder will be 4. So this is fixed. So 4 ni 6 to divide cheste always will get the remainder 4. Right? So this is a very important concept. So remember this. Remember this. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే 4ని డివైడ్ 6 డివైడ్ చేస్తే రిమైండర్ ఏమొస్తుంది 4 వస్తుంది, రైట్? నౌ సో సారీ, ఫస్ట్ what they are given, see, then now so first see 4 power 96 they given by 6. What is the remainder? 4 power anything the divided by 6 is nothing but 4 is the remainder, right? So y value we know that. Now y equal to 4. Now what about x value? Now what's the x value? 3 power 61284 by 5, right? By 5. So then చూడగానే ఏంటి prime number and prime number. So these are the two are co-primes. So Fermat's theorem. Apply the Fermat's theorem. What is it? If 3 power 4 by 5 will be there, so the remainder will be 1. So just divide by this value by 4. So last 2 digits, you just observe here, last 2 digits 84. 84 అంటే 4 తో exact గా divisible అవుతుంది. Whatever the number. So no need to calculate. So whatever the number is there, that will divisible exactly 4. So 3 power 4 by 5. So the remainder enta 1. So x value will be 1 and y value will be 4, right? Now what they're asking, 2x minus y. 2 into 1 minus 4. It's nothing but minus 2. So don't convert into positive because it is not a remainder, it's a value. Okay, it's a value of minus 2. Okay, then now I'll give some more questions to solve. Now see, now I'll give the questions to you. Just solve this. 59 by 58 whole power 637, right? Now see, so now how we can write this one? So by using the binomial theorem, so we can write this one is nothing but +58 + 1. by 637. 37 by 58. So this can be exactly divisible. 1 power 637 is nothing but 1. 1 is the remainder. Now, like this, I'll give some of the questions to you. Just solve. 96 by 97 whole power 132. Now, give the answer for this one. Yeah, right answer. See, 96, I can write 97 minus 1, right? 97 minus 1, 97 minus 1 by 97, right? The whole power 132. So this will be exactly divisible and minus 1 power 132. So it's an even number, so we'll get 1. So 1 is the remainder, right? No, 181 power 753 by 182. By 182. Now, see how we can write this. 182 minus 1 whole power 753 by 182, right? So minus 1 power 753. What's the value here? What's the value here? Minus 1. So remainder always will be positive only, not in a minus values. So what's the minus 1 essentially? Minus 1 ni denominator ki add cheyali. 182 add cheste minus 1. It's nothing but 181 is the remainder. No. Now, I'll give one more question. So 257 power 1008 by 64. Now, how you can write this one? See, how you can write this one? Try to solve this one. Try to solve this one. So LRH manam 256, 257 ni, 257 ni, 256. 256 అంటే ఏంటి? 64 into 4 ax minus plus 1 by 64, right? So I can write this 64 into x, a into x format, whole power 1008. So this will be completely exactly divisible and this will be 1 power 1008. Its remainder is 1. Remainder is 1, right? No. 471 power 344 by 118. So LRI2. See how we can write this one. Try to solve this one. Try it. See. 118. You can write in the form of 72, right? 2 into 4. So I can write 118 into 4 minus 1 by 118 by 118 whole power 344, right? So this can be divisible by exactly and minus 1 power 344. 344 is nothing but 344 ante even number. So 1. 1 will be the remainder. Right? Then yeah. No. Check. 13 power 658 by 168. Now try to solve this. In which method we can solve this? So ఎలా రాయాలి మనం దీన్ని 168 ఫార్మాట్ లో రాయాలి. 168 ఫార్మాట్ లో రాయాలి. So if you're seeing itself, you can understand 13. 13 is there. What's the 13 square? What is the 13 square? 169. So I can write that in 13 format, right? So 13 power 2 whole power. So 329, right? So by 168, right? 169 power 329. So ఎలా చేయాలి మనం దీన్ని? By 168. So I can write this 168 plus 1 by 168. So whole power 329. It's nothing but 1. Remainder will be 1. Okay. Just you have to write the in format of this binomial or Fermat's theorem. Now try this. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? సో 63 ఉంది. సో 2 పవర్ 2 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో 2 is nearby value. 63 multiple. What's the 63 value? ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది దగ్గరగా? 64, right? So 2 power 6 is 64 whole power. దీన్ని 6 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. 5 and 5 remainder is 1. So into 2. So 55 by 63. So now this number 64 by 55 into 2 by 63. So this will be exactly divisible by 1. So remainder will be 1. So another entity 2 by 63. What is the remainder? 2. Right? 2. Right? Okay, one more problem for you. Seven power 656 by 400. Now, how we can write this? So to remainder theorem ni మనం ఫాస్ట్ గా రాయాలి అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ ఫాస్ట్ గా ఉండాలి, రైట్? సో 7 power 4 is nothing but 7 power 4 is nothing but 2401, right? So 7 power 4, I can write this 7 power 4 by 164, right? By 400. So 2401 power 164 by 400. దీని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం? It is nothing but 6 into 400 plus 1 by 400. So it is nothing but whole power whole power whatever it may be, we are not going to consider. So it is nothing but it will be completely 0 and 1 power 164 is nothing but 1. 1 is the remainder. Okay, then so hope you understand this everything. So whatever the numbers, if they given, you try to write in Fermat's theorem and binomial theorem. In the Fermat's theorem format enti a by p power p minus 1. So ఈ రెండు co-primes ఉండాలి and p prime number ఉండాలి. This is Fermat's theorem. And binomial theorem is nothing but ax plus 1 by a whole power n, or a power ax minus 1 by a whole power n. So ఏదున్నా కానీ 1 will be remainder. Okay, so write the questions in a format of these two or try to solve that questions easily. Okay, thanks for watching. So up to this remainder theorem will be completed. Done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.